Hey y'all, it's Cousin Rosie, and I'm going to show y'all how to make some bucket naked wings in the air fryer, okay? So we're going to start off at our countertop. Here I have a fresh lemon, and I'm just going to cut it into wedges. I'm going to use the fresh lemon to clean my chicken. You heard me right. I'm one of those people that clean chicken, turkey. If you've been following me for quite some time, you know that though, because I always clean it with like my lemon wedges. I clean it with also sometimes orange. I really like to use citrus to clean chicken, okay? So we're just going to use it like a sponge and get it all nice and clean, and then we're going to rinse the lemon juice and everything else, the seeds, all that stuff off of the chicken, okay? So let's head over to our stovetop or countertop. I'm going to grab my seasoning salt, y'all. This is the Rosamae Seasoning Salt that has pepper, kosher salt, and all the other good stuff. Make sure you shake it up really nice well because we don't use preservatives or anti-caking agents, so it can clump. You just got to make sure you shake it and everything will be all right. So I drizzle some oil over the chicken, and now I'm going to sprinkle some seasonings on there. A little goes a long way, y'all. This seasoning salt can last you a long time, so don't be too heavy with it. You don't need to add a ton. A little goes a long way. Once the chicken is nicely coated with the seasoning salt, we're going to grab our air fryer. This is my Rosamae air fryer. You see it has a non-stick tray at the bottom. I'm just going to add the chicken on top of the tray. And you know what? It's just that easy. That's all we need. Oil, season salt, okay? And make sure that chicken is clean. So this is the Rosamae air fryer, y'all. As you can see, it's quite big. It has a lot of space in there. It is digital, and I'm just going to use my chicken setting to cook the chicken. And after that 15 minutes, I pulled out. It's not done, okay? It's not done. 15 minutes, you pull it out, and then you go ahead and you flip it over. That didn't sound like to pull out and flip it over. Anyway, flip the chicken over, and you're going to put it in for another 15. And then you're going to make sure it's nice and done to your preference, because I like mine a little, well, no, I like it a lot crispy, like this. Y'all hear that? I know you hear that. Don't act like you don't hear it. Okay, you hear that, Chris. But anyway, y'all, the air fryer and the seasoned salt can be found at rosamaeseasonings.com, and I will be back with some more recipes.